Today we'll be treating factorization of a quadratic expression. What exactly is factorization? Factorization means rewriting the expression as a product of its two linear factors. And like what you have here, we have factorized a particular expression, and then this is the answer. This is the first thing we're going to do here. So this is a linear expression, another linear expression, both of them multiplying each other. That is a factorization. Now we have two examples here. Factorize the following quadratic expressions. Number one, x squared plus 7x plus 12. Number two, 2x squared minus 7x minus 30. So don't forget, a quadratic expression is that type of expression where the highest power of the unknown is 2. So the highest power of x here, which is the unknown, is 2. And then it is usually in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c. A here is the coefficient of x squared, b here is the coefficient of x, while c is the constant or the number that is not attached to any variable, or that is not attached to x. So the first thing to do is to you have your question is x squared plus 7x plus 12. The first thing to do is to multiply a by c. So you have, that means you multiply the coefficient of x squared, by the constant. The coefficient of x squared here is 1. This is the same thing as 1x squared. So you multiply 1 by plus 12. 1 times plus 12, or 1 times 12 is 12, which is plus 12. So our c here is plus 12, don't forget. So now you look for, after getting your answer here, which is plus 12, you look for the factors of plus 12. The factors of plus 12 are, you have 1 and 12. 1 times 12 will give you plus 12. 2 times 6 will give you plus 12. 3 times 4 will give you plus 12. Now, which of these three combinations, which is 1, 2, 3, which of these three combinations gives plus 7? That is this plus 7x. Out of this 1, 2, 3, which of them gives plus 7x? 1 plus 12 can give you, it will give you 13, can give you plus 7. 2 plus 6 will give you plus 8, it won't give you plus 7. So the combination that will give you plus 7 is plus 3 plus 4. So you can see the answer: plus 3 plus 4 will give you plus 7. You can the same say plus 3x plus 4x will give you plus 7x. So you put plus 3x and plus 4x instead of plus 7x in the expression. What does that mean? So instead of writing x squared plus 7x plus 12, you split this plus 7x into plus 3x and plus 4x. So you rewrite as x squared plus 3x plus 4x then plus 12. Now you can now factorize by grouping. What do you mean factorize by grouping? You've written x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. Now you group x squared plus 3x, you put it in a bracket, and then you factorize it. You leave your plus here, and then your 4x plus 12, you factorize it separately. You factorize this separately, and you factorize this separately. So by factorizing separately, x squared plus 3x, which factor is common to x squared and 3x? So there is x here and there is also x here. There's x here and there's x here. So x, these two x is the common factor for x squared and plus 3x. So you have your x. Now so that is x. Now once you put x here, x cancels one of this x. This is x squared, and then you are left with x. The same x cancels the x here, and then you are left with 3. So x multiplied by x plus 3. Then you have your plus, and then you factorize this as well. Now, which number is common, or which factor is common to 4x and plus 12, or is common to 4x and 12. So you can see 4 is common to 4x and 12. So you put 4 here, you bring out the 4. You have your plus and then you put 4. What that means, when we say the factor that is common to both, it means the factor that can divide 4x and that can divide 12 without leaving a remainder. That's what we mean. So you bring, it is 4 that can divide 4x and can divide also 12 without leaving a remainder. So when 4 cancels 4, you are left with x, and when 4 here 1, when 4 cancels 12, you are left